You want to learn Tableau? Then this is the channel for you. We are learning Tableau using Tableau Public. This channel focuses on business intelligence and analytics. You can also watch series Tableau versus Power BI to look at the difference between the top two BI tools.
Hello and welcome to this new video on Tableau Public where we are learning Tableau using Tableau Public, and in today's video we are going to discuss LOD Fixed. So let's jump on to the Tableau. Okay, so we are here on the Tableau and let's first create a visual and try to understand what we plan to do here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drag category and state, and I'm going to put state before category, and then let's take gross sales. Okay, so now what I want here is I want this state total. One of the way could be that we exclude category, but no, even if I take city here, even if whatever I take here, I want the state total. So I want the context of the state to overcome whatever is there other than state into the visual. That's what my wish is, and that can help me in calculating subtotals, especially the subtotal of state. Okay, so LOD fixed can help us. So let's first quickly go ahead and create, and let's try to understand it more. So go to analysis, create calculated field, and LOD fixed state. So now we will type fixed. The moment we type fixed, it will go to show us syntax, and the syntax is very similar for all the three level of details. We need a dimension, we need an aggregated curve. So start with curly brace, then fixed, then keep on mentioning the dimension, and below you can see we have taken state from geography. We have state at two places. We are going to take it from geography. So we taken it from geography, and we only want one fixed detail right now. So we give a colon because we have to give a colon after what dimensions, and then we will say sum more than one dimension. You can have comma separated. Sum of gross sales, here we want it on gross, so we take sum of gross sales and we close it, and then we have to close the curly brace. So we have closed the curly brace. Now it is ready, and we say okay. Now we go here and drag LOD fixed state here. So now you're able to see something, which is it a total of Alaska or not, something we want to see. There are a couple of ways. So one of the ways is I click here and see here the total value is started coming, and let's total it up. Now here you can see it's 116,3768 and it is 116,768. This is the one way you can check it. The another way is I can go to analysis and total, show all subtotal inside the analysis, and I can see the subtotals out here. So this is the subtotal which is repeating here. Now I am ready to calculate percentage of subtotal here. But before we jump into that one, let's do a little more stuff. Let's bring in city in between and check it out. Is it something very similar to exclude, or this is something a lot different from there? So now even if you bought the city, please note the city is coming in between the total. Specifically look at here. Now there is we have to further set the subtotal, but the subtotals are still at the state level, not at the city state level or anything. So it's still the state level. This is there. If I remove it, and you can still see this is the state level which is working out here. Now I'll bring in category and I'll remove city from here. I bring category back. I remove city, and I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to add the category as a filter here, and I say okay, I want the category as a filter, and let me see here, apply, and let me, I've not filtered anything right now. Okay, and I say okay, show filters, so it will start showing on the filter. Now remember this total 116, and I'm going to remove category 1 from every place. So still the total remains same. That's the beauty you have for the fixed. So it is fixed, and the filter is not going to work because it is above the context. LOD fixed is above context, above the filter which is going to apply here. So that's why it's not going to filter. You can look into the details how the different filter context work. So you will find LOD fixed is above it, and that's why this is not working here. Now we understood this thing. Now let's add it. Now let's try to create percentage of subtotal. A percentage of total, already we have something where we can go here and calculate it. So this is percentage of total is already available. What we are going to try is percentage of subtotal here. So let's go and create a new calculated field, which is going to be measure here, percent of state, because it's percentage of total of state. So we say sum of gross sales divide by, we can handle the null zero value, and then we can have here is sum of LOD fixed state. Okay, so we got it, and now let's do okay. Now before we add it here, let's do a little bit of change in its properties. Right click here, go to default properties, number format, percentage, 2 decimal place should be sufficient, and add it here, percentage of state, drag it here, and now you see that this is, and you can total it again, and I think we've told you how to do that. Okay, this is not totaling it up, fine, no problem. We can see this is 100%. Okay, so you can try out this percentage of subtotal stuff with fixed level of details. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Get involved. Keep asking questions in comments. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new video. Keep watching.